All right, Bitcoin holders, let's talk about it. I think, again, we're all going to be Bitcoin rich. And I'm going to explain to you kind of what do I mean by that. Kind of view it as we got short term Bitcoin rich, midterm, and then long term, years down the road, right? And we all know, I mean, good God, where Bitcoin's going to go. I mean, I think Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million. I agree with some very, very smart people in the room, Michael Saylor, Kathy Wood from ARK Finance, all those kind of guys. And I mean, $1 million. Can you even think about this? I envision a day where you're sitting and you're talking to your kids or your grandkids, and you're like, I remember when Bitcoin was $63,000. I remember when Bitcoin was 20,000 and I bought it then. And, and they're like, oh my God, that's amazing. So it just kind of makes you smile, right? Okay. So Bitcoin rich. Let's talk about what's going on. Again, you kind of got short term Bitcoin rich, midterm, and then long term, all of which I think are opportunities to make some money. So let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. All right, so here's the thing. If you haven't seen this chart, it's a great chart. I'm going to break it down for you. Very, very simple. Okay, what you're looking at on the left-hand side is this is a chart of Bitcoin monthly returns going back to 2013. Okay, at the very top, you see 2024. You see October, November, December. October, we're down 0.5. Now, for the first 10 days of October, we were actually down 6+%. That number was 6. So we have erased those losses. And I think, again, we're about to cross into the positive territory. Now I want to point you at 2020. Look at this right here. This 2020, October, 27% up, November, 42% up, and December up 46%. Now that October, I think 2020 was an anomaly. We had COVID, we had stimulus checks coming from the government, all that kind of stuff. 2016 up 14%, 5 and 30% respectively. And then look at the very bottom. The average for October is up 20%. November's up 46%, and December's up 5%. Okay, so what does all this mean to Bitcoin holders? It means that historically, by the way, I'm sorry, 2020 and 2016, those are Bitcoin halving years, right? Okay, so 2024, obviously we're in a Bitcoin halving year. We all know this. So this is lining up for short to midterm big gains coming in. Again, now we've got uncertainty out there a little bit. We've got a U.S. presidential election coming up in November. Ironically, historically, presidential elections have been very, very good years for Bitcoin and crypto in general, regardless of who wins the election, surprisingly enough. Okay. So all this to me is lining up for some positive momentum. Now, I've always got to kind of give you the other side of the coin. We still have the Israeli Iran war conflict. That's a thing. And again, not minimizing the loss of life and the horrific thing there, but its impact on crypto, it is still out there. I think it's still creating uncertainty. And my point of bringing it up is I think it's keeping capital money off of the streets, if you will. People are holding on to their money, kind of waiting to see. Okay. But again, we start to get any type of a FOMO factor, fear of missing out. We start to get any type of a string of green days coming along for Bitcoin and for crypto in general, then I think we'll start to see that capital come back in. Okay, so that's my thoughts. Short to midterm rich, long term, absolutely $1 million. Woo, that'd be awesome. Need to share with you this just a different view of Bitcoin, and this is also showing you my trading indicator, giving you these buy and sell alerts. You can see one day, 4 hours ago, my software said it was the right time to buy Bitcoin, and we're up 4%. Okay, so if you're looking for extra help in knowing when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos, including Bitcoin, meme coins, anything. By the way, software works on stocks. You can see this is Tesla's chart as well. Any and all stocks. This is Tesla's. There's Netflix chart. You can see right there. There's some really good ones. Like there's a buy and a sell 10%. And you can see for Netflix, it gave a buy alert and it's already up 7%. So if you're looking for ways to help you make even more money in crypto, the software runs on any mobile device, Apple, Android, runs on any desktop, any computer out there. You can use it anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And what's cool about it is the software actually gives you alerts. So it'll say, hey, it's the right time to buy Netflix. It's the right time to buy Bitcoin. It's the right time to sell, lock in some short to midterm profits, things of that nature. Okay. So that's what the software does. Links in the description below. Right there, there's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee, and the software costs $1 a day. Quarterly options the best. Link down there. There's a discount code there as well. So look, with 30-day money back guarantee, you can try the software for free. Really, that's what you're doing, right? You get it for free. If you don't like it, then you get your money back, no questions asked. All you got to do is email my support team, boom, and you get an instant refund. Okay, so give it a shot. You got nothing to lose. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good day. Go make some money. We are looking pretty good right now with crypto being up for the second day in a row. Bitcoin getting back up over 63,000, looking good. Later. Bye.